Mickey D's was good, wasn't it? Oh no. Well, me and Lakin just got back from McDonald's and we were doing a walk around and we noticed that we have a tire off the bead, off the rim. I'm glad that we did it, but it sucks, man. Good morning. It is 2 o'clock in the morning and we gotta hurry up and we gotta leave. We're gonna take this Freightliner Columbia. And when I say we're, guess who I got with me? I got a surprise. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. Can you see him? Who is it? It's my dude. It's my Lakin boy. Lakin's gonna roll with Daddy today. We're gonna yank some tanks to Indiana and we're gonna deliver some milk, right?
Yes.
All right, let's go get this truck started. Alright, let's roll, Lakey. We got my boy rolling with me today. We got like 5,000 gallons of milk to unload. Got something crazy going on here. A whole bunch of cops turned off this road right here off of US 30. Or on that, basically. Indiana 30. And they all just they're looking for somebody. And my co-pilot is sleeping. We're finally making it to the delivery, to the milk processing plant. And just about a mile away, I think when me and Lakin get there, oh, my co-pilot fell asleep again. He's a tired boy. He's a trooper. He's a road dog. That's my road dog right there. See him? That's my boy. So I think after we get this milk offloaded, we're probably gonna come back to this little truck stop right here, a little mom and pop truck stop, close the curtains and take a nap. So we gotta, when we get here, we always gotta jump on the scales. We gotta scale in and scale out, and that scale ticket is our paycheck.
The side that we're gonna be sleeping on?
I would say so, yeah. We don't have much time to sleep though. So they just got done with our unload. Now we gotta jump back on the scale and get our scale going out, our outbound scale weight. Which should be about 29,000 pounds, 30,000 pounds. When we came in, we were like 76,000 pounds. Okay, so this truck's a little heavier than mine. So yeah, we're about 31,000. Oh, it's kind of glitching there. What the heck? 31,000 pounds. So he'll bring out my scale ticket for both inbound and outbound. I think we're gonna take another little nap at the truck stop here in a minute. And Lakin's still sleeping. Alright, so let's go find a place to park. We could park right here. I think we're gonna go to the truck stop down the road. We're gonna take that spot right there, and then we also got a Mickey D's right up there. So when me and Lake can wake up, we can go grab a snackety snack from Mickey D's shack. We gotta block out this sunlight because we're sleepy. First, gotta make sure we're extra secured. One side locked down. That way if they try to break in, me and my son are safe. I mean, it's not gonna keep us completely safe. Obviously, if someone wants to come in and they want to break the window, then they will. But it's gonna give us an extra level of security, better than if we didn't have it. thing's pretty janky. I need to get a new one. So until I get a new curtain, that's pretty much what we gotta deal with. Okay. It's the morning, baby. Lakin just woke up. What'd you say when you woke up?
It was the bestest sleep ever.
It was the bestest sleep ever, dude. In a truck. We went overnight truck camping after our delivery. Now we gotta close these curtains. Or open these curtains. And be ready, there's gonna be a lot of light. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See how much those black things out? But I need to get new ones if I do buy this truck.
You should.
Yeah. Oh, and I locked our doors. Safe and secure.
I like how you can roll the window up and down. That's a cool like.
Oh yeah, automatic windows or electric. Yeah.
Yeah. What is this?
That's the door handle. It's falling apart.
How am I gonna open the door?
That's a good question. Huh? Probably from the outside. Yeah.
How am I gonna get outside when I'm inside?
How are you gonna?
What is this?
You're gonna have to either get out my door. That's an air freshener. You're either gonna have to get out my door or roll your window down. That definitely needs to be fixed. So if I buy this thing, there's definitely a lot of things. Look, this truck.
You did the old little trick that was on one of your videos.
The seatbelt trick, yes, yeah. Especially with you, I did both sides. So now we just undo these.
Is it like to make us safe?
It's just an extra precaution. Like you don't really have to do it. You got locking doors, but this truck's kind of old. I'm not actually sure if that side locks. So just to be safe, I had you in the truck and like we're at some random truck stop. You never know. People do crazy things and they could try breaking into our truck. And at least it will stop them and kind of give me an opportunity to wake up and like react. But they could always just bust the window.
That's why there's a window trick too.
The window
trick? My trigger is so loose.
You want to go get McDonald's across the street? We'll let the truck run. We're going to Mickey D's. Dang, you get down there like a real trucker. Right here. See my spot? I mean, when you gotta go, you gotta go. He can't hold it, he's a kid. Wait for me! That Mickey D's was good, wasn't it? Oh, no! Well, me and Lakin just got back from McDonald's and we were doing a walk around and we noticed that we have a tire off the bead, off the rim. I'm glad that we did it, but it sucks, man. Now we're gonna drop the trailer and go. Thankfully, there's a shop here in town, a semi-truck shop, and they said they can fix me up real quick. Just come there in the truck. So basically, whatever we made today on hauling this dairy to here, Manchester. Yep, good job. Lakin dropped the trailer. Good job. He lowered the dolly. All right, so now we do this. We just leave it like that for now. We just made it to the repair shop right down the road. We got a Swift driver trying to back up somewhere. So we might be here for a while. You see the truck? Look at the Scooby-Doo mystery machine. So we ended up having to go to it. Let me see that bolt, Lakin. We ended up having to go to another tire repair shop down the road because the other place couldn't do it. These guys hooked it up. They patched it. The tire was like still really good, in really good shape. So we didn't want to have to get a new tire. So these guys, we rolled it up on a block and then popped this off.
It is right there.
And then they pulled it out and patched her up. So we're good to go. Lakin got his souvenir, now it's time to go home.